Found this on the side of the road. Still good condition. So I'm gonna take this. Still usable. Good stuff. Picked these gray gold, 4 of these gray gold car seat right here. This Forever DLX. Four of them. Pretty cool. This is one of the nice car seat right here. Pretty great condition, all 4 of them. Right, more pickup. Got the dresser, closet, putting glove in with a metal rack. Top MDF here, pretty good, and a book organizer. I've got 1 here, 2, 3. Okay, so all these gray gold seats, 4 that I picked up. And we've got another baby coming soon, so this is gonna be good. And I also have 2 of these the gray gold extend, but this is the Forever DLX. I have I think that is the model, the extend model. I have 2 of that in my car right now. Probably I'm gonna switch it over to this model right here. Alright guys, this is the gray gold car seat I have for my daughter. It's the extended 2-fit model on my 2019 Ford Expedition. However, the other day I had managed to pick up 4 great condition gray gold car seat off the side of the road. I cleaned it. I have 3 of the bottom cover in the washing machine right now. This is the gray gold Forever Deluxe. Basically you can detach the bottom and use it as a booster seat. So 3 of the Forever Deluxe. These run about $300 new on Amazon, and we got 1 extended 2-fit, which is similar to the one I have in the car. This one in pretty good condition. So as the 3, so pretty good, picked up side of the road. find more random stuff on the side of the boat here. USB-C charger. Like some LED headlight. Robot charger. Some of this map right here. Like there's a light right here. Some book. Some supplements. Grab this whole bag here. And this length. I find this house in my neighbor always throwing a lot of good stuff. This is the same house where I picked up those monitor stand Cisco switch last time, and tabletop. After going through the bag, this is what we got out the box. The bag is some H11 bulbs here. H11 by Osram, pretty good OEM bulb, and the H9 bulbs here. But we got a pair of H11 or H9 LED bulbs by some brand here on Amazon properly, and I got a bunch of bulb of this is gonna be useful for fishing and bank fishing here. All the sun protection 30 and 50, and 4 brand new mask, surgical mask box. There's one box that is open, so I didn't take it. Some wipes and some cosmetic stuff here, and got a bag of antibacterial wipe, so I can wipe my hand, and wipe most of the stuff here already. And this closet wire shelf, I'm gonna be clean it up and use for my garden Jelvis, and shelf for my garden plants. Not a bad pickup. This appears to be a nice thick mat right here. I think it's either standing mat can set by your office computer desk, I guess. It's like gym quality mat. Gonna spray with some disinfectant and leave it out in the sun for a bit before I plan to use it. And I'll spray it down with water later, but I'll give it a sun bath now. I also pick up this cooler as well on the side of the road. The inside still looks pretty good. The only thing I think they don't like this is usually this cooler, the handle doesn't close down nicely, so it's just stuck right there. And I have the same issue on every pool cooler like this, and I hate it so much. But this one is look like it's thicker and better than the one I have. And it doesn't hurt to spray this stuff down too.